So when training Muay Thai or kickboxing, it's important to keep your roundhouse kick nice and strong. Of course, through the regular means of training, pad work, bag work, sparring, all those different things, your kick will stay solid. It can be developed, and you'll be pretty good with it. But it's never a bad idea to seek out some accessory means, exercising and training methods to improve it even more. That brings me to this. Now, this is something that I did a long time ago, and I just broke it out last year, started doing it again, and really started to understand the full benefits of this type of training. This is an Exer band, okay? And I'll put the link in the description on where you can get one of these on Amazon. So I threw them on and I started training really heavily with them. Initially, I did 5 days a week, 5 to 10 minutes with these Exer bands. And it was brutal, man. The first couple days, my legs were shot. I was exhausted. My legs were really spent. Going into like day 3 through 5, then I really started to see the strong benefits of it. Strength and even growth in my legs, and some serious improvements in my speed and balance. So how does this work and why does it work? Well, it's a resistance band, right guys? And what have I said about resistance bands before? They provide progressive resistance, and they keep your legs in constant tension. Once you put your bands on, they're in tension. In every movement, they stay in tension. And as you move and throw your kicks, you get progressive resistance. It gets harder as it goes further away from your body. With that said, it also snaps back hard to your body. So when you're first training with these, you're not gonna be used to it. And if you don't have great balance to begin with, these things will rip you off your feet. It happened to me, and I've seen it happen to other students who started using these. But over time, you will develop, again, stronger legs, stronger balance. I'm telling you, once you put these on, through training with these, you're having to really like pull your kick and really be strong about getting it away from your body. It is not easy, and that's what makes it a great training modality. So when you first start out, I'd say maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Now you don't need to do 5 days a week like I did. When I first started doing it, I did that for about a month. That was too much. It's overtraining. I didn't see any additional benefits, so I just peeled it back, and now 2 to 3 times a week, I'll throw these bands on. And depending on the other workouts I'm doing that day, I may do 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Now that's not 5 or 10 minutes nonstop. There's a lot of different kicking drills that I do. When I first put them on, I just start stretching. I start, pushing my knees away from my body, extending my hips, start with some teeps, really get used to having the bands on my ankles. Then I go into some roundhouses. When you first start, you're not gonna be able to get them very high, but the more you train, your legs will get stronger, your balance will get better, and then you'll start using your entire body the way you're supposed to really get your kicks up. And again, once you've been training with these for a while, what you will see as far as the benefits is that you will see, again, strong legs. You will gain some muscle stamina, so you'll get a lot of endurance in your legs from training with these. You'll get a nice whip on your kick because you just get faster. These bands are pulling against you, and you're trying to kick upward when they're ripping you back down. And so there's a lot of resistance there, so you get really strong and you get explosive. And for me, one of the most important things that you gain is balance on your foundational leg. I always call the bottom leg the foundational leg. And what people sleep on is when they're throwing high kicks or even roundhouse kicks to the body, they don't have good balance on this leg, and they don't do anything to work on it. This works on it, because like I said, if you don't, it's gonna rip you off your feet. So having to keep one foot planted and throwing your striking leg as hard, high, and fast as you can. But again, keeping the bottom foot, even though it's elevated and pivoting, keeping it rooted enough to where the band doesn't rip you off the ground, you gain really strong balance on your foundational leg. You get good at pivoting, all of it. I see no downside. It's a great way, again, to improve your roundhouse kick. The one warning I will give you is make sure you have a clean technical roundhouse kick to begin with, or make sure when you're doing your other training that you're making sure that when you're doing your kick training or you're training on the bag or anything else that you're staying hyper technical with your application of the kick. Because when you put something like this on, it's easy to get lazy and just kick however you can just to get the band going, just to feel fast or strong or not to fall down. And through doing things like that, without focusing on staying technical, you can really create bad habits. And then what you perceive to be a nice, powerful kick is actually kind of sloppy. It may have some power, but without respecting and applying the necessary technical details to your roundhouse, you just won't ever have a great kick. Remember guys, check out X Martial. The shorts I'm wearing are from X Martial. Check out their BJJ and Muay Thai swag. They got some great stuff. They have quality products and great designs. Be sure to use discount code ProfessorRad to get 10% off. Okay guys, so check out this training method. Give these bands a try. Again, there's no downside. It will improve your roundhouse kicks. It will take a little time to develop, and you will have to make the time on the side of your current training. But if you're really serious about this and you want to improve, 5 minutes on the side here or there for an accessory training modality like this, it's a small investment. So I hope you try it and I hope it helps. If you're enjoying the content guys, please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.